This is Singer from the late 1800s table and machine. Table's a coffin top. The machine's a number 27 from 1889, working condition. The table, solid wood, good condition, original Singer Manufacturing Company hardware on both drawers. Irons in good original condition and working shape. Again, this is solid wood. Coffin top is also in good original condition, well taken care of. Take a look at the machine. Again, this is a number 27. It's in working condition. It is in used condition. Some of the decals been worn off from, use from moving the fabric through with the hand. I did sew a few stitches with this machine. It comes with instructions copied off the internet that are very helpful for getting to know this machine inside and out. Everything from threading it, winding the bobbin, sewing, and so forth. General instructions. It's good information. Alright, so this does come with a nice fresh rope. Again, serial number is 104-33941, dates it to 1889. It's in good working condition. It's a fiddle base, based on the curvature, so a coffin top fiddle base. It's known as a vibrating shuttle. Due to the bobbin motion also. You can see it moving back and forth. So I have it up. I'll put some fabric underneath here just to protect any metal-to-metal contact. And we'll get this moving with the treadle. There we go. So it has a nice smooth operating motion. All by itself now, and pick it back up, still coming towards me. So even slow and quickly. Very nice, quiet machine. Very impressive for the age. Over 120 years old. Thanks for looking. Singer sewing machine, number 27, coffin top fiddle base. In working condition with instructions. Thanks for looking.